Here's why this matters. AI is becoming a huge part of our daily lives, from diagnosing diseases to approving loans to helping in criminal justice systems. If we don't know how or why these systems are making decisions, we're putting a lot of trust in something we don't understand. That's why explainable AI is so critical. It's not just about understanding the tech, it's about ensuring fairness, accountability, and trust in the decisions AI makes. Now that we've cracked the basics of what explainable AI is, let's dig deeper into its foundation. That will take us through three key aspects: the overview of explainable AI, its importance of transparency, and the role of explanations in AI systems. Let's break it all down. Welcome to the new era of video creation with Jog AI. Simply type your script to get started. Let's start with the overview. Explainable AI, or XAI, is all about making AI systems easier to understand. Most AI models today work like a black box, meaning they produce outputs or decisions without revealing how they got there. XAI solves this by providing explanations that are clear enough for both technical experts and everyday users to understand. Next is the importance of transparency in AI. This is huge. In fields like healthcare or criminal justice, trust is everything. Transparency ensures people know exactly how AI systems are making decisions, especially in high-stakes situations where errors or bias could have serious consequences. Without it, people can't trust AI, and AI can't reach its full potential. And finally, we have the role of explanations in AI systems. Explanations are the bridge between humans and machines. They take the complex decision-making processes of AI and translate them into something we can understand, learn from, and even act on. Explanations make AI a tool for collaboration rather than just a mysterious black box. Have you seen the movie Iron Man? There's that unforgettable scene where Tony Stark, in his high-tech lab, is working with his AI assistant, Jarvis. Tony gives commands, Jarvis analyzes the situation, suggests improvements, and together they build something extraordinary. Now, what makes this scene so iconic? It's not just the flashy holograms or the cool gadgets, it's the collaboration. Jarvis doesn't just act like a tool, it communicates with Tony, provides insights, and adapts based on his feedback. Did you ever think about why this scene resonates so much? It's because Jarvis isn't just a silent machine. It's a partner. It helps Tony understand the implications of his actions and decisions. Without that interaction, Tony Stark is just another guy tinkering in a garage. But together, with clear communication and collaboration, they build the Iron Man suit. This is exactly what human-XI interaction is all about. Think of AI systems as the Jarvis in your own world, not just tools, but partners that provide explanations, adapt to your input, and ultimately make you more effective at whatever you're trying to achieve. But here's the catch. If Jarvis didn't explain itself, if it didn't show Tony how or why it made certain calculations, the collaboration would completely fall apart. The same is true for AI systems in real life. Without clear, understandable interaction, trust and usability vanish. Now let's break this down using the points on the slide. Understanding roles in interaction. In the movie, Tony Stark is the user, the one making the final decisions, and Jarvis is the explainer. It's Jarvis's job to provide insights and guidance, but it's a two-way street. Tony's feedback influences the next steps. The same dynamic applies to real-world AI. The explainer, AI, and the explainee, the human, must collaborate effectively. Importance of user feedback. Imagine if Tony gave feedback to Jarvis and the system ignored him. It wouldn't work. Just like in the movie, real AI needs to take user feedback seriously. It's through this feedback loop that systems get better and explanations become clearer. Designing effective interactions. Remember how Jarvis uses visual cues, explanations, and just the right amount of detail to guide Tony? That's what effective AI interaction design is all about. It's about making sure explanations are tailored to the user, clear, actionable, and easy to process. Cognitive load. Considerations. Finally, imagine if Jarvis threw an overwhelming amount of data at Tony all at once. It wouldn't matter how accurate it was, Tony would be too overwhelmed to act. Similarly, AI systems need to present information in a way that doesn't overload the user's brain. Manageable, bite-sized insights make all the difference. So, just like Tony Stark and Jarvis, humans and AI are at their best when they work together. But that collaboration only works when both parties, human and machine, understand each other. Human XAI interaction is the foundation for making that possible, ensuring AI isn't just smart, but also transparent, adaptable, and empowering. The best user interfaces are the ones you don't even notice, you just understand. Think about that for a second. The greatest tools aren't the ones that overwhelm you with complexity, but the ones that make interacting with technology feel intuitive, natural, and seamless. And that's the standard explanation user interfaces, or XUIs, aim to meet. Now let's apply this to the world of AI. Imagine working with a cutting-edge AI system that can make powerful predictions, but every time it gives you a result, you're left scratching your head. Why did it make that decision? What factors influenced it? Without understanding the why, you're stuck in the dark. And let's be honest, nobody trusts what they don't understand. This is where XUIs step in. They're not just another part of the system, they're the key to unlocking the why behind AI decisions and empowering you to act on them. So, what exactly are XUIs? Explanation user interfaces are the interactive layer that bridges the gap between AI's complex inner workings and your need to understand what's going on. They take something opaque and make it transparent, helping users, from experts to non-technical users, gain the insights they need to make decisions with confidence. Here's how XUIs do it. Explanatory XUIs. These are simple, straightforward, and static. They provide clear answers, like a chart showing which features influenced a decision. Think of them like a snapshot, a quick and easy way to get answers. Exploratory XUIs. These take it to the next level. They're dynamic, interactive, and let you experiment. Want to know how changing a customer's engagement score affects a prediction? Exploratory XUIs give you the tools to explore, tweak, and learn. Here's the big takeaway. XUIs don't just explain, they build trust. When users can see and understand the reasoning behind AI decisions, they're empowered to act. They're no longer just spectators, they become collaborators. And that's what makes XUIs so powerful. They take something as complex as AI and make it accessible, actionable, and human. Let's talk about where XUIs are already making an impact. In criminal justice, there's an XUI that allows judges to adjust algorithmic thresholds to balance fairness. With a few clicks, they can see how different decisions impact outcomes. In sound recognition, AI exploratory XUIs let users interact with spectrograms and visuals, helping even non-experts train and fine-tune models. XUIs are the future of AI-human collaboration. They're the difference between trusting a system blindly and actually understanding how it works. But great XUIs don't happen by accident. They follow key design principles, which we'll explore next. Ready? Let's keep moving.